beautiful friends, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. If you know me by now, you know that I love hot sauces, and I've released this video, this video, this video, and this video about all kinds of hot chili oil and laogama chili sauce you can make at home. And to make it even better, today we're going to level it up with a Chinese chili sauce, Sichuan style. So now let's get started. Here are the ingredients we're going to use for the Chinese chili sauce. We'll need some spices, aromatics such as garlic and ginger, oil, and other seasonings. Today I got a blend of Poblano chili, Fresno chili, and Thai chili. We'll roughly chop the chilies because we'll use a food processor later. If you don't have a food processor, simply chop all the fresh ingredients into very fine pieces. I'm saving most of the seeds from my chili peppers because I like to make the sauce a little hot. If you want it to be mild, remove the seeds and pick less spicy peppers such as Poblano, Anaheim, Korean sweet chili, and remember, different chili blend will create a different flavor as well. And that's the fun of making chili sauce at home. After the chilies are chopped, we will move them into the food processor. The Thai chilies are the hottest chili I have today, and we will simply remove the stem and drop them into the food processor. Next, we will slice some ginger. Add them to the food processor. Blend until all the chilies are a smooth paste. You can also control how fine you want the chili paste here. Drop in the garlic and blend again. Remove the blended chilies into a large container. We will add some salt to it and mix well. Next, we're going to finely chop one large king oyster mushroom. The purpose of the mushroom is to add umami flavor to the chili paste. In a wok or pan, add oil and heat up oil until bubbles come out when testing with the chopsticks. Drop in the spices and then the aromatics, which are green onion and cilantro. Keep the stove on medium-low and fry until the aromatics starts to brown. This step takes about 5 minutes. Remove the spices and the aromatics. Next, drop in the king oyster mushrooms. Bubbles will come out when frying the mushrooms. This is because water is evaporating from inside of the mushroom. After about 5 to 8 minutes, mushrooms will start to brown. Now add in the chili paste. Mix well and bring to a boil for about 4 to 5 minutes. Add in fermented soybean paste, fry for another 2 minutes. Drop in the sesame seeds. Now we can turn off the fire. Use a container to let the chili sauce rest for 24 to 48 hours before enjoying it. The Chinese chili sauce makes a great condiment for rice, noodles, or cold dishes. It's excellent to bring up your appetite. I'm testing it out on some freshly cooked white rice and it already smells so amazing. You can store the chili sauce in airtight jars in the fridge for 3 to 4 months. I'm going to give these to my friends who are visiting me soon. And I think the chili sauce makes a great handmade gift because it can be enjoyed later. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it and share it to your friends if you think they'll enjoy the recipe as well. I'll see you next time.